In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a download page for your product. So I'm going to show you a very basic download page and how to go about setting that up. This works perfect for products. It works good, products that you're selling. It works great for giveaway download pages. A download page is essential in order to get people the files that they ended up purchasing from you. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the web files already set up. So you should have them zipped up into like a zip file, and you should have them loaded up via FTP to your web hosting server. So what we're going to do here is first go in. We're just going to start with a blank template, and I'm using Composer, which is a free HTML editor. So we're just going to start with a very basic download page. And what I want to do is come up here to the top part, and we want to center it out. So we just want to put a center here, and we want to say here is your download dot dot dot, and then we'll come down here, or you could put up here thank you and then put here's your downloads. We'll do that. Thank you, here's your download. Click here to download your free report, and then you'll put your support link here. Okay, so this is all I did. I just went in, I took a blank page, pointed my mouse here, I centered the text, and I put in the word thank you. Here's your download. Click here to download your free report. And let's say we have a couple elements here. Click here to download your video course. And then we'll put one other element here. So check out this killer product on building your list. So of course that would be like if you're going to promote a product as an affiliate on your download page. So this is in the most basic form of download page, and it looks pretty ugly. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it, have a little color, a little flair, so it looks decent. So first off, we just need to start with our content. So you've got the thank you part. Obviously, you want to thank them for, they either opted in, so you want to thank them for that, or they bought something from you. So that's important. So we're just going to take the font here, highlight it all, go to Format up here at the top, Font, and I'm going to make it Arial Helvetica font. And then we can come down here to where it says thank you, and you see this little A over here on Composer. Again, Composer is spelled Kompozer. So if you are watching this and wondering what software I'm using, it's called Composer. It can be found at composer.net, and it is free. And it works with both Mac and PCs. So you're just going to click on this A, double click on it, and then all you need to do, we'll bold that. We'll make that bold, and let's make it slightly bigger so we can just highlight it, double click on it. That might be a little too overbearing. So there we go. So now we've got our thank you, and let's make that a red font. So all I did to make that a red font, I highlighted the text that I want to color. I come right over here to where it's black already for the font, and that's the default color. You see two options. One's white and it's on the bottom, one's black. You want to choose the one that's in the forefront, in the foreground, that's up there. So I'm going to choose that black, and I'm going to come down here and click on the red to make it a colorful red. And there we go. So thank you. And you could even put thank you for your thank you for opting in or something. Opting in. So you could say that. Here's your downloads. We'll make that a little bit bigger, and we can make that bold and underlined. And maybe not underlined because we don't want to confuse them. So let's make it italics. So there you go. Here's your download. And then the only other thing we have to do here is we need to link up the offer that we established. So we need to go in and add a direct link to the files that we've uploaded to our server. So in order to do that, you should on your server have FTP'd your file up there. So you should have a file that's actually loaded up onto your server. So we'll just log in here and try to find a file that we can link to. So we'll scroll down here. Again, I just opted in left-hand side are the files on the your computer. Right-hand side over here is what I just opted into to get there. And we have videos that already cover how to opt in through FTP. So right here is a PDF called 8 Proven Traffic Methods. So what you would do to upload that file, of course, if it was on your computer, you would come over here to this file, you would right click, and you would choose upload. But we've already got it uploaded, so all I'm going to do here is just highlight this, and I'm going to choose rename, and I'm just going to copy the name of the file. And then, since it's found in our main directory, what I would look to is, where is that file uploaded? Which one of these folders is it located in? That would determine, where that file can be found. And in this particular case, it's found in the main directory of the website. So I would come right over here to my web browser, and I'm going to type in there my website. And then I would do / type in the website we're using this on, and I'm just going to paste in that link right there for that file. And after I hit enter, it's going to slowly load up here. So this is the file that is on here. So there you go. This is the free PDF that does display and show up. So all you're going to do here is just highlight that URL that you get out of it, and that's going to become the link that we place right here. So click here to download your free report. So we're just going to go to insert link. So I highlight the text that I want to link up. I'm going to go insert link, and then I'm going to just paste it in here and hit OK. And then there's another thing you can do on your download page, and you don't have to do this, but you can. You can write in the font, right click, and choose save target as. And then what I'm going to do is highlight this portion of it. We're going to click down on it, and then that's going to just reduce the font size. We don't want that part of it to be so huge. And I can just hit the backspace key to bring it up to the right below the here is your download. And we can put a parenthesis around it as well, and that's a big parenthesis, so we can actually fix that. So notice that one came out a little awfully formatted, so I can just highlight that, take off the bolding, and bring it down to the size that it actually is, which there it is. So thank you for opting in. Here's your download. Right click, choose Save Target As, and notice I just linked it up to that report. So let's find one other file here that we can link up to. So I'm just going to browse another one of my folders here, and we're going to find one other file that we could actually link to. So we'll just go in here, we'll just find another file here. And let's see here. So let's just find one more file. We'll grab a name here. Let's see. We'll just find like a zip file, for example. Okay, here's one, sample.zip. So again, I'll just click on rename, and I'm going to copy that over to my clipboard. Come up here to type in my main domain, and then type that in, and there it is. So sample.zip, notice it starts to download there. There's nothing in that file, it's just an example one. So then I would just right click, obviously make sure the zip file is functioning and working, and we come right over here, and we're going to choose insert link, paste it right on in there, click on OK, and now we've got our zip file. So we'll pretend in that zip file is this video that they downloaded. And you don't have to give a video and a free report. It could just be a free report. It could be just an ebook. It could be a zip file that has 10 ebooks in it that they purchased. It could have 5 ebooks. That's going to be completely up to the offer that you have. This is exactly how you create a download page. It's just very simple and straightforward. And then the only other thing you need to do here is if you decide to promote something, I'll show you real quickly how you can do that. So one thing you can do is you can just come in here, check out this killer product on building your list. You can come in here and we can actually just kind of space that out. So we'll put a bunch of dash keys around it, or equal signs I should say. So I just created a pile of equal signs so it spread out across the size of the text. Put a space in between it, and there we go. Now we have something that sticks out just a little bit. I can hit that key to make it jump out more. And then I just highlight this text and choose Insert Link, and I'm going to type in a link here, and this link would be like your affiliate link, youraffiliatelink.com. Your sales page would go here. Those are good places for it. And then what I would like to do, make this link open in a new window. So choose Target, link opens in a new window. And now there you have it. So on your download page, you've got the thank you for opting in. Here's your download. Choose Save Target. Choose Save Target As. They know what to do. They can download the free things they signed up for. They have an offer, an affiliate offer, and then you can put in your support. So insert link, and then this would be your support email address, or your support address, or your email address even. And make that open in a new window, and then right here at the bottom, just do copyright, your business name, and then the year. Right there. And that, in a nutshell, is the most basic form of a download page. And the final step you have to do is just hit File, or just hit Save up here. And as far as the page title for a download page, I don't want it to get indexed. So you don't want to put in keywords there. It's one time you do not want to put in a good title tag. So we're just going to put the dash key, which shows up right on the very top of your number sequence next to the 0 or the plus sign and equal sign. And I'll just hit OK. And then it's going to ask me for a name of a file. So I'm going to browse on my computer for where I want to save it. And I'm simply going to choose, we'll just call DL page dash 123.html. And you don't want to make yours as simple as that. The reason I like to put the underscores in there is because that way it makes it a little bit harder for people to find your download page. And then also, of course, you don't want to go 1, 2, 3. You can do a random set of numbers. You don't have to do numbers, but it does help kind of keep your download page hidden. And then all you're going to do is hit save, and you're ready to FTP that download page or upload it to your web hosting server. So now, and you can follow the instructions in the FTP video to get it live, and now you've got your download page live, so you can link to it from within your Aweber account and your GetResponse. So that's in a nutshell how you create a basic download page.